customer value journey. So this channel is for you also. You are learning super sales training, and if you like this video, so please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get lot of things. You will get 100% technique for sales and everything like this, and personality development and motivation also, story also, right? So please watch this video till end. There is also good for sales. If you want to learn, so please be at the end, right? So let's start. What is the customer value journey? You know, if you are selling your product, if you are selling your service, so what you can do is, in the beginning you have to give them value. How you can give? You know, if you are selling, so you have to be honest. You should have credibility, you should have value addition, you have to value to people, you have to add value to people, right? If you are not adding value, so it is not ethics, it is not ethics selling, right? And the third thing is guidance, information, value. As like Rahul Bhatnagar sir, what he is doing, he is doing you know also, right? You know, he is giving value first and give value. Then he said, please enroll my paid program. Then you would able to create more opportunity, and you will learn the customized information. You will learn customize, right? And you can ask question individual. How amazing it, right? So what you can do is you have to understand people. And the second thing is, there is also level, right? Level A and B and C. What you have to do is, you have to convert A to B. So it should be free of cost, and B to C, it's a paid. So what you need to do is, the first thing is, you have to convert A to B. Like if you are doing webinar and if you have paid program, so what you can do is, you can say people, I am conducting webinar, it's a free of cost. What you will do, what is there for customer, you have to say this is for you, and you will learn the personality development. If you are teaching personality development, so you can say, I am teaching personality development, I am expert in personality development, and you will learn free of cost. It's absolutely free of cost. You have to say it, right? What people are doing, the wrong thing is, people do not say I am conducting free of cost. You know, people want to free. So what you are doing is, you are saying it's a free of cost. In the beginning, people like it, right? And the second thing is, you have to say, I am conducting the webinar in Sunday, in this Sunday, and what you can do is, you can enroll free of cost, and you will learn this. And after give value, what you can do is, when people come in your webinar, people will register in your webinar. Then after that, you have his email ID, phone number. You can follow up. You can say about your product. After give value, right? First give value. It is a rule of success. You can say first give value. Not many people are doing this. Some people are, what people are doing is, they do for this day, and I have to sell today only, because you know, if you are not provide value, if you do not provide value, so people do not give you value, right? And you know, अगर आप ऐसा करते तो आप एक बार ही कर पाएंगे ना, बट बार बार करने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा तो स्ट्रगल करना पड़ेगा ना. So what you can do is, you can add value first. What Rahul Bhatnagar sir is doing, he is giving webinar free of cost, and people watch this and people think what is the value of this webinar, and after that he will join, right? He's join. Why? Because they think about the value, right? So please give value, and if you will give value, so what happened after that? People think it is a good person, it is good for me, he is a mentor and he will guide me. Everything people can assume, right? People can imagine everything if you are giving value, right? Now I am making video, so people think he is a person who is making video, and in the future he will become as a good person, right? So like this you will become successful, right? So first what you have to do is you have to convert A to B free of cost. Then you can say it's a paid program. You will learn customize information, you will learn customize everything, right? B to C, it's a paid. The first thing is you have to give value first, A to B, and you can make your own rule for 7 days, for 10 days, for 4 days. If you are selling your own product, if you are selling your digital product, so what you can do is you can say this is product and you no, this is not product. I am conducting webinar on Sunday, so what you can do is you can join my webinar and you have to say this is for you. If you are teaching English, so you can say you will learn 100%, you will learn 33 hacks for English. So people like this, right? You have to say free, it's a free of cost. People are doing also this, right? People do not say this is not for you, sorry, this is not free, and you have to say it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free. Then you will decide what you have to do. And now the thing is, as I told you, please do it like this, so you will get 100% result as I am doing right now, right? So I hope you got the message from this video. I hope you got the technique of sales, you can say. And if you want to like this video, so please like and share with those person who is struggling in sales. And please suggest me if you find some error, so please comment here. Thank you so much for watch this video. Please share this video, right? Cheers.